Hello guys, I am David, your online printer technicians. And today I am going to discuss about how to HP printer download and install. Follow the steps now. Select the search icon in the system tray, type printers in the search bar, and then select printers and scanners from the search results to open the printers and scanners system settings. Open the printer and scanner settings. Next, to add a printer or scanner, select Add a device. Wait for it to find nearby printers, then select the one you want to use and select Add device. If you want to delete the printer later, select it and then delete. If your printer isn't in the list, next to the printer I don't want in the list, select Add manually and follow the prompts to add it manually using one of the options. If you cannot connect the printer manually, try to solve the problem by following the steps in solving printer connection and printing problems in Windows. In case you need any help regarding HP printer setup and install, please make us a call 1-833-321-1006 now.